How to transfer data from old Samsung to new Samsung device. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to transfer data from your old Samsung device to a new one. So the very first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the application called Smart Switch, this one right here. And if you don't have it, you can easily download it from Play Store. Uh, as far as I know, you cannot actually uninstall this. It will come in your phone by default, and the only thing you can do is disable it. So if it's disabled, make sure you re-enable it. Now, once you've done that, open up the application and you'll see this kind of interface over here. The first one is send from this phone and the second one is receive on this phone. So let's say if this is your new device and you're on the receiving end, tap on receive, then select which device you have. I'll do Samsung Galaxy. And if you want a wired connection, you can do that, but I'll do wirelessly. It will provide me with this QR code. Now on your sender or the sending phone, tap on send from this phone, wireless, and just scan the QR code that was just shown. You'll be good to go. Then you can easily transfer data from there wirelessly. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.